how to message someone on Facebook from your phone. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to go over to my phone and we're going to hover over the Facebook app. For your additional information, you need to have the Messenger of Facebook downloaded on your phone too. So you need to have at least the Facebook app here and also the Facebook Messenger app. So what we're going to do, we're going to go into my Facebook account, tap on that, and I'll be taken over to this section. Now, in the upper right, you can see that I have just received 2 messages through my Messenger. If you do not have your Messenger on your phone, you'll be prompted to download it on your phone through Facebook default system. Now, a few points to keep in mind when you're adding people to your Facebook account and then your Messenger is that try to be professional in your profile. If you're an online marketer, make your account say I demanding to this platform of online marketing. Make sure that it's professional so you increase the engagement on your platform. So say that we want to add someone to our Facebook Messenger platform. We're going to go over to a group. For example, we can send requests or we can accept requests from different people. So say that I want to send a request to someone, say someone has just posted something in a group. Say I want to send a request to Lisa, for example, this person. I'm going to tap on her name within the group. Tap on her name, and I'll be taken over to this platform. Now, in order to message Lisa, I'll have to tap on this blue button marked Messenger. I'm going to tap on it. Then by default, I'll be taken over to her Messenger interface on my Messenger app. So I'm just going to go back. Now, this is in my Messenger app from Facebook. I'm just going to get out of it. I'm going to just throw this down. I'm going to go into the group of my platform of Messenger, and then I can start messaging Lisa from my Messenger of Facebook from my phone. And this can be done for any other user on Facebook. Now, these are some of the Messenger members that I'm currently speaking to on my Facebook Messenger account. And guys, remember that you cannot message anyone through Facebook Messenger unless they have added you onto their Facebook responder through the Facebook platform itself. So they have to add you guys from here. So you can go around and find people that are in your niche and add them to your request. If they accept your requests and you both are friends on Facebook default platform, you can then start messaging them on Facebook membership Messenger platform, which is in the other app. So guys, I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. If you have liked the video, please like it. If you do not like it, tell me what I can do in order to improve the quality of this video. Other than that, please subscribe and watch these other videos that will be popping up that will teach you how to use different applications on your phone. Thank you for your undivided attention and kindly watch these other videos. Bye.